You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name, given name of Hebrew origin. If you want to learn more biblical names, make sure to stay tuned, there are more videos for you. In Hebrew, Isael. Isael, also Spanish pronunciation Isael. In English, it's normally pronounced similarly as Isael. Isael. Some may say it also as Isael. How do you pronounce it and where are you from? Let us know in the comments down below. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.